Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the beauty and versatility of the English language. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm thrilled to have you with me today. Our word of the day is administration, a B2 level noun that refers to the process of organizing and managing something, like a company or a government. It's a crucial term that plays a significant role in business, politics, and even our daily lives. Let's dive into the meaning of administration. Simply put, it describes the act of overseeing operations, ensuring things run smoothly, and managing resources effectively. For example, you might hear someone say, "The administration of the school ensures that students and teachers have everything they need to succeed." Whether we're talking about a small team or an entire nation, administration is all about coordination and leadership. Now, let's look at some synonyms for administration. Words like management, governance, and supervision carry similar meanings. For instance, you could say, effective management of the company led to its success, or the governance of the country focuses on transparency and accountability. Another synonym, oversight, is often used when referring to ensuring rules are followed, as in, the committee has been tasked with the oversight of the project. On the other hand, let's explore antonyms for administration. Words like disorganization, chaos, and mismanagement convey the opposite idea. For example, the project failed due to disorganization, or the company's mismanagement led to significant financial losses. These words highlight situations where effective administration is lacking and things go off track. In everyday life, administration is a word you're likely to encounter frequently. You might talk about the administration of a budget when planning your finances, or discuss the administration of medication to ensure proper care for a patient. In workplaces, phrases like office administration or human resources administration are commonly used to describe essential organizational tasks. Here are a few more examples of administration in sentences and phrases. The new government's administration focuses on economic reform. Good administration of the team's resources helped us meet the deadline. She is studying business administration to prepare for a management role. To wrap up, today we explored the word administration. We defined it as the process of organizing and managing something, discussed its synonyms like management and governance, and contrasted it with antonyms like disorganization and mismanagement. We also looked at how administration can be used in everyday conversations and examples. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show and learn alongside us. I'd love to hear from you. Create your own sentence using administration and share it as a comment under this episode. Until next time, keep expanding your vocabulary and exploring the amazing world of English.
Goodbye.